Hey guys.
Hi.
How you doing? We are out here at our lot we bought.
Deer Run.
Deer Run. We'll show you. We sprayed, it's called Crossbow. This is gonna be just like Florida, me swatting all these bugs. Put my hands in my pockets. It's called Crossbow, and it kills everything but grass, I think. Kills any weeds, small trees.
Like the wooded, like our main goal was poison ivy because there's poison ivy out here.
Yes.
And I am very allergic to poison ivy.
So we come out and we sprayed 4th of July week actually. And we come back out this past Sunday, and then we come out today Monday, and looking around, got her golf cart out here. Fits perfect in the shed.
Yay.
It's here till next year. And we did some measuring.
Oh.
Near as I can tell, my coach with the slide out is 126 inches, give or take a smidgen. This is 129. So in theory, I could back the coach in. I couldn't get the mirrors in. And the reason I say I can't get the mirrors in is I'd have to come in and then kind of cock it around to get the mirror in, because I'd have to hug this one side so close. But so if the mirror's sticking out and I get within an inch of the side, and
In theory,
and then level it without it leaning either way, the slide should go out without hitting one of them posts. I don't want it that tight. I'm probably going to end up taking that center post and moving it about 3 foot towards the back of the lot. I checked with the council that's here. I cannot move any closer to the fence. You have to be 5 foot away from the fence.
right.
That's about what it is. So I can't move close to the fence, so I have to move that center one to the back, which no big deal. I don't want it that tight coming in here all the time.
No.
I'd rather just kind of center it and back it in than get the slide out and be good. But we haven't done a whole lot. Julie's been working Monday through Friday.
Yeah, but I only have another week.
Another week, then we go back to Indiana.
Indiana. We'll be out here more than, because we don't work as much.
We'll have through the week to be able to do
Yeah.
what we want. But
Well, the good thing is when I'm working, I'm off on the weekends, so we've been able to spend a lot of time with the family. So that was, part of us being here.
yeah, close to the family too, which is really nice.
Yeah.
But we got all this taken care of. We got the deed swapped. We got the electrics in our name. Everything's done.
Well, we have one more assessment we have to pay. It's a one-time water fee, I think, for out here.
Road fee, road maintenance.
Road maintenance.
Yeah, we got to pay that. You got 30 days to pay it
Yeah.
once you file it in the courthouse. So we got to get a check in the mail to that. But otherwise, it's all done, right?
Done.
Okay,
Done.
making sure.
Well,
So the blue tub is going to be donated to a local zoo that's in this area.
Right.
They're going to use it for a watering trough. And
Love it.
my son's taking it to them, and then they'll get a free membership to the zoo with their kids. So
Awesome.
win-win. The electric, I haven't got a guy out here yet, but he seems to think that we can get 50 amp out of it.
Right.
Hopefully we can. We haven't really done a whole lot besides the spraying. Kind of waiting on it to cool off. It's been hot in Ohio. It's been hot everywhere, but
Yeah.
it's been hot in Ohio.
And we've been busy with me working. We've been very bad. Well, we like to do our videos together. So we haven't been taking the time to just go and do a video. I got off work early today because it's really, really slow. So
Here we are.
here we are.
Come out and do some measurements on this and see what we got to do.
Yeah.
But it's not going to be that big a deal. I've got some comments, and everybody's wanting to know all the information about this place. It's called Deer Run POA, Property Owners Association, Camden, Ohio, C-A-M-D-E-N, Camden, Ohio. It is a private, I don't know how to say,
it's
resort.
a property owners.
It's gated. I'd hate to say resort, it's not, but you buy these lots, they're 50 by 100 is the generic dimension. Depending on the land and the hills and all that, they may be shorter and longer the other way.
Right.
But basically it's 50 by 100. You can find lots in here from 2,500 to 25,000. And like I said in a previous video, 70% of them in here are maintained and nice, and probably the next 10% are not bad and need a little love. And then there's about 20%, it looks like the people have come in, bought them, it was cool for 3 or 4 years, not their thing, and they don't even put them up for sale, they just kind of leave them.
Right.
And in time, the taxes come due in them, and the dues come in, and then the county takes them back and puts them up on a sheriff's auction, and then you can get them really cheap that way too. But you know, it's one of them things. The area that we're in right here is probably one of the better areas.
Right.
But it's like any area. You can go in any town, anywhere and find good and bad. So it's not bad out here though.
No.
But so the lots, I got off track. The lots are 2,500 to 25,000. You can get them cheaper. You can also find a couple more in here. It's probably more expensive. They're 50 by 100. The dues are $240 a year, and that gets you to the pool. That gets you
Your cards
to the lake,
to the
gate to get in and out. All the privileges, I guess. The taxes, depending on what you do the lot, the taxes on this are $68 a year. The property tax, that's it. And the electric is based on how much you use. You have to pay in April for the entire year. So some people out here get by $500. Some people's $1,200 to $1,400 for the entire year, just depending on how much they're here and how much they use. Being out here full time on a hot summer with the air going, you're probably gonna be close to $1,000, I would suspect. Don't know. But to get the electric turned on, you have to pay the estimated from the year before. But you can make monthly payments to it, so then in April you don't get hit really hard with that big lump sum. So,
and that's what we're gonna do.
Correct. So I mean that's basically it. You can email them. I can find the email and I'll put it down below. Available lots. They might be able to send you in the right direction. It's gated. You have to know somebody to get in here to even look around. And some of them are for sale, but don't say they're for sale.
Yeah.
And some of them have not been anybody around them for a few years. And you contact them, then they will sell them, but they don't have them for sale. So, and some are for sale, and they want some stupid amount for them. I have no idea why, but they do.
Yeah.
I mean, but that's basically it. It's I couldn't begin to tell you how many sites are out here. There's a lot.
No, there's a lot.
There's a lot. I can I'll try to snapshot a Google Earth image of it and show you the layout, because it's spread out over a big area.
Well, we're lot 143, and that's just the first half of the place.
I'd venture to say it's probably the first third of the place.
Yeah, because it's big out
Because it
here.
goes clear in the back and there's another street behind us yet. So
There's a couple little ponds to fish in, and
they got one they call it a lake.
it's a pond.
It's a big pond, yeah.
It's a pond.
But they're clean. They don't stock them. To my knowledge, they don't. They used to not stock them. So.
No.
But that's pretty much it.
The
Let me
pool
get
is
this.
nice.
The pool's very nice.
Yes.
I think I showed that in the last video. The pool is nice. They do keep that up. No alcoholic beverages, glass, anything's allowed inside the pool. They have shelters set up outside of the pool that if you want to picnic and have a beer and have your family down, you can. You just can't get them inside the pool.
Right.
I think that's about it.
That's it.
I think that's it. Let me take this off this tripod and we'll show you around.
Oh no.
So this is the very front. If you look at any of the videos I showed or the one I showed before, all of this was way out here. We didn't even know this bird bath was in here or the railroad ties. My buddy John is right beside us, and he come out and he cleaned all this out because when he backs up, he can't see down the road when he's backing up. I'll show it to you.
He was thrilled that we'd killed it all, so he could see.
Yeah, so he can't.
Get it
So
all
when he's
done.
backing up, he can't see out the road because these weeds, they come clear out into here. So he cleaned all that up, but you can see how brown it is. Get up here and you can see where we sprayed, and just everything's dying. So this will all be cleaned off. You'll be able to see through it. The cedar tree that's here, let me back up, it's huge. We're going to trim it way back. Chop it out, but you can't hardly kill them things. But you can see the ground is all back to gravel.
Oh, we have a mailbox too. We
There's a
found
mailbox. Yeah, I have no idea why, because you can't use this for an address. And inside here, if you remember, it was hard to see the gravel. Now you can see all the gravel. Everything around the building.
The rows of Sharon we're going to trim back.
Yeah, them things.
Yeah, because they're coming out. They're too big and, well, they've gotten too big. Somebody let them go too long.
And we sprayed right to the line. You can see it.
Yeah.
And then it turns into yard. Everything up against this fence. So it cleaned out pretty good. We just have to get in here now and start cutting. This tree is coming down. You can see we're on the inside even. Anything that was up against the fence here, we assassinated. You can see back in there. So this is what I'm talking about for the coach coming in. From this beam to that beam is 129 inches. And my coach with the slide out, not counting mirrors, just from the passenger side wall to the wall of the slide once it's out, is 126. So if I leave the mirrors out up there and back the coach in, which it'll come about to where I'm standing, it's 38, and that's only right at 20 foot. So I have 18 feet sticking out, but that's all right. So if I leave the mirrors in and I hug this side right here, in theory, my slide should go out and not hit that center post. In theory.
In theory.
Yeah. So guys, that's about it. We're gonna get out of here. I want to come down and do some measuring, and now that I had Julie to hold the ruler, I'm gonna go back to the coach and do some better measuring.
Better measuring.
Maybe I can gain about a ½ inch, we don't know, but
May make all the difference.
if you follow our Instagram, you'll see we went to Comic Con. Yeah, bunch of dressed up Star Wars characters. But the gentleman that did our
Logo.
thank
The
you.
Art of Adam Fields.
The Art of Adam Fields, he was there with these comics. And I talked to him a little bit. The people that do the t-shirts and the stickers are now set up.
Right.
And they're getting ready to start production again, so we should get some information about that. But he said it'd be really cool to have a logo, under the logo, to have like a 4-word saying. 4 to 5 words, something short.
Right.
So we're sending this out to you guys. Come up with a logo, if we like it, and if we can Google it and there's no copyrights on it whatsoever,
Yeah.
and we use it, we'll send you a free t-shirt and a free sticker and maybe even a free something else. Whatever we can get out there.
What?
Never know. You never know. But 3 to 4 words, because it's going to be on the back of a t-shirt. It can't be one big long sentence. So if you can come up with something good, we'll send you a free t-shirt and a sticker. Something else. Who knows?
Who knows?
Might throw something else in there. You never know. But guys, thanks for watching. Like us on Facebook.
Instagram. Thumbs up.
Thumbs down.
No,
Comment.
thumbs up.
Yeah, I don't care. Thumbs up. It all counts. But we will see you guys later. We leave August 1st, which is next week.
Next week.
And head back to Indiana for a couple months. And then we'll come here for a couple weeks and
Oh, yeah.
be southbound. Y'all take care. We'll see you guys.
Bye.